Guys, look at this. This here is my earnings, and I made this money doing almost nothing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn this money for yourself, watching videos, doing simple tasks right with your smartphone. Now you're going to watch me withdraw this money straight to my bank account. Yes, we're going to do a demo withdrawal. So yes, making money is getting super easy these days, and with this website I'm about to show you, guys, it's just as simple as that. So you can actually make a lot of money for yourself pressing your smartphone. Are you ready? Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk about various ways of making money using just your smartphone. So if you're looking for videos of how to make money using your smartphone, you're onto the right channel, you're watching the right video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with your phone watching videos. Yes, so this is the website I'm talking about, and on this website, what you basically do to make money is to watch videos on YouTube, subscribe to your YouTube channel, join a WhatsApp group, drop comments, likes on people's posts, follow people on Instagram. So you agree with me that this is the easiest way to make money. So if you're someone that loves spending time online, here is a perfect opportunity for you to earn money for yourself doing what you already love. Now, this here is my dashboard. So you can see I've earned over 8,200 Naira for myself from this platform. I'm going to go on to withdraw it so you see exactly how it works. Funny thing is, I didn't do anything to make this money. So if you look at this, there are two ways you can make money from this platform. The first one is to do the task, which is basically watching videos on YouTube, subscribing to a YouTube channel, following people on Instagram, joining a WhatsApp group, and the rest of other simple tasks. Then the second way you can earn money too is to get people to sign up on this platform, and then you earn this referral bonus each time people complete the sign up using your referral link. I'm going to show you the referral link, but just before I show you that, let's look at how much you can earn for doing simple tasks on this platform. So if you look at this, you see various amount of money you can earn per task you complete here. Some of these tasks can pay you as high as 450 Naira for just doing a simple sign up. Now look at this. If you visit this website, you earn up to 42 Naira. Like and retweet a Twitter post, you earn 24 Naira. And the list continues. You watch a YouTube video, you earn 48 Naira. This one is also YouTube video, Taxify. The amount of money you earn varies based on what you do. There are lots of YouTube videos here that you get paid to watch. This, I know, is the easiest thing somebody can do. So long as you have a phone and you have internet connection, you can simply go on to get this task executed in split of seconds, and then you have the money reflect on your dashboard. So as soon as you accumulate up to 1,900 Naira, you can go on to withdraw the money straight to your bank account. The second way you can make money is referral. When you get people to sign up on this platform using your referral link, you simply make this amount of money for bringing them on the platform. So yes, you can actually go on to copy your referral link, go on and start sending it to people you know to create a free account for themselves using your link, and then you just get credited for doing that. Now, this is my referral link, and this is actually how to find your own referral link. You just need to get to your dashboard, come to your profile, and then you see this link here. Click on the link, copy it, and then get people signing up using your link, and you earn this money. As a matter of fact, I earned this 8,200 Naira from referral. Yes, without further ado, let's go on and withdraw the money together. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first thing is to click on my dashboard, and then from my dashboard, I am going to go to my wallet. This here is my wallet. I'm going to scroll down. You're going to decide how much you withdraw per time. So now I want to withdraw only 2,000 Naira. And because the bulk of my earning is from my referral, I will have to transfer the money from referral to my personal earning. So on this platform, you have to withdraw from your personal earning. And in this case, because the money is from the referral, I cannot withdraw it straight from that referral account. So I will need to first of all click on the referral to transfer money. So I move the money to my personal earning, and then I will go on to withdraw that. So that is done. Now I'm going to click on withdraw earnings now, so I can go on to withdraw it. Now at this stage, I need to submit request. The money is being paid every Friday. Yes, you can only cash out on Fridays.
Now, because today is Wednesday, I'm going to send a request and wait until Friday for the money to reflect in my bank account. Now, as you can see here, I put in that I'm going to withdraw only 2,000 naira. Once I'm done filling the form, I'll click on submit request, and then it says successful. So now that it's successful, I can go on now to get the money on Friday. So if you look at this right now, you see we are withdrawal history. I requested 2,000 naira. Yes, I want to withdraw 2,000 naira, and this money will reflect on my bank account on Fridays. So I'm going to wait until Friday to cash out and show you. Another thing you also need to know is that for you to withdraw your money, you need to submit your bank details. Now, this payment is meant for Nigerians alone because it is earned in Naira and can only be paid to Nigerian bank accounts. So you need to submit your bank details.
So now that you've seen how much I earned from this platform and how much you can potentially earn yourself, the next thing is to go on to create account. Now, the link to create a free account is contained in the description of this video, as well as the first comment on this video. So click on the link in the comment section and it's going to bring you to this place. Once this opens, all you need is to go on and supply your basic details, your name, your email address, and then other simple things. As soon as you're done supplying these basic details, click on submit and you're going to create a free account for yourself in split of seconds. Then you have the time, go on and start making money immediately. The name of this website is called Naira Workers. The link to create account is contained in the description of this video. This is open for everyone. If you're a Nigerian, you have a smartphone, you can make a lot of money from this. Do you already have an account? Have you earned money from this platform? Let me know in the comment section, and then go on and drop other questions you may have for me in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to all your questions. Okay, now remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get updated each time I publish new videos. Besides, I want to be your friend, so connect with me by subscribing to the channel. I hope you got value from this video. See you in my next video. Bye.